Hey guys, here in Evanston, driving down this beautiful quiet street here to check out one of our latest projects on Pittner. We're 16 blocks from the lake, Dawes Park, beautiful starter house, fully remodeled. Let's go check it out. This is it. We're here at this 3-bed, 1-bath ranch, fully remodeled, granite countertops, new kitchen cabinets, stainless steel appliances. Let's start the tour. All right, I know you loved it. If you're interested in taking a tour of this beautiful home, contact me with the information below. I'm Tim Wengler with iCandy Realty, and I'll see you on the next video.